The ZipWall 10 4-pack is the ultimate dust barrier starter kit for residential and commercial remodeling. The strong, lightweight poles extend up to 10 feet high. The innovative head and plate lock the plastic onto the pole, raising it to the ceiling without a ladder. With non-skid material at the top and floor grips at the bottom, ZipWall spring-loaded, twist-locking poles secure the barrier for the duration of the job. A pair of ZipWall standard self-adhesive zippers is included in the kit. Simply attach the zippers to the plastic sheeting to create an entry wherever you need it. Use the flap hooks to hold the entryway open for easy access when moving equipment or building materials in or out of the job site. This ZipWall kit is a huge time saver. One person can set up a dust barrier up to 10 feet high and 30 feet wide in just minutes with no ladder and no damage.